So if you're really in a hurry and you really just want to crave a meal or just a macaroni and cheese, you can just make this in literally 5 minutes. So yeah. Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Musa from Sibling World. Today I'm going to be making a mug mac and cheese. So a lot of you may have eaten mac and cheese made from a stove, for example, but this one is much a lot more muches different. Let's get on with the ingredients. First, we have some elbow pastas, which are shaped like elbows. Then we have 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Then we have just 1 teaspoon of milk. Then we have 1/2 cup of water. And of course, we have a mug. So, let's start. First, we have to put our 1/2 cup of elbow pasta. Now we add in our 1/2 cup of water. And now we're going to put it in the oven until it's like pasta, like how you would eat pasta. Oh. And until it's cook. Let's just get on with the step. After I cook/boil my elbow pastas, I'm just gonna add this 1 teaspoon of milk. And then I'm going to add this cheese. And now we have to mix it properly. Now my mixing is done. Now I'm gonna put this in the oven until the cheese is fully melted, and it's gonna look like mac and cheese right now, if I put it in the oven. Let's just get on with the step. Now it's done. Now just look at the texture of the macaroni. It's really cheesy. Now my macaroni and cheese is done. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and turn the notification bell for more. And please click one of the videos at the end because it helps us. Goodbye.